NexaPulse. NexaPulse designed to bridge the gap between patients in need of guidance and doctor looking for the opportunities. Today, many people panic when they experience health issues. For example, if someone feels chest pain, they often turn on Google and assume the worst. Online searches or AI tools like ChatGPT cannot give the exact answer. They always recommended to consult a doctor. At the same time, many doctors, especially freshers graduates, struggle to find a meaningful opportunity to help patients. This creates a clear gap in healthcare accessibility and trust. Let us discuss how NexaPulse works. Here we have three simple steps to move panic to clarity. Step 1. Describe your problem. Step 2. Get multiple reply from doctors. Step 3. Choose and connect with that particular doctors. Here are the recent questions asked from our patients and doctor responded to that particular patient. We can see 2 doctors are responded to the first question and 3 in second, 1 in third and 4 in fourth. Now let us discuss the patient sign-in section. Here the patient can log in using basic email and password. First, the user must register by filling their basic information and then completing the registration. After signing into a patient sign-in column, all you have to do is enter any doubt you have regarding about your health. And you will see multiple doctors from that relevant specialization reply. You can then select the most relevant answer and start conversation with that particular doctor. Remember that this chat is secured and completely private, so your information stays safe. When you select a relevant answer, it automatically navigates to the private doctor chat where you can talk and express your doubt more comfortably. For example, a patient might post a problem like, I'm suffering from a headache right now, so I'm posting my problem here. So multiple doctors of same specialization can reply to my post. And I can take the most relevant answer and start conversation with that particular doctor and take whole guidance. Now let us discuss about the doctor sign-in column. A doctor can log in by using a basic email and password. Before that, they must register by choosing their specialization, entering their years of experience, age, and whether they are experienced or fresher. When doctors successfully log in into the app, they can reply to the patient question and can view the full dashboard that is also visible to the patient. The doctor can also edit any reply they have given to the patient, so they can correct or improve their answer at any time. In short, NexaPulse is a platform that helps patients to get safe guidance and connect with real verified doctors. With NexaPulse, we are making healthcare more accessible, trustworthy, and personal. Thank you.